Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Vercel build errors on Vercel in 2026. So if your deployment is failing, the build is showing red errors, or your project won't go live, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your Vercel dashboard and go to the failed deployment. Then click Build Logs and carefully check the exact error message. Next, look closely for missing files, wrong imports, or syntax mistakes. Most build issues come from simple code errors like this. Now open your code editor and fix those errors. Make sure file paths, components, and imports are correct, then save your changes. Next, ensure all dependencies are installed properly. If something is missing, reinstall packages using your terminal commands. Now check your Vercel build settings. Make sure the build command and output directory are correctly configured for your project. Next, verify your environment variables. Missing or incorrect values can easily break the entire build process. Now clear the build cache if needed, then redeploy your project to test the fix. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Vercel build errors. Now your project should deploy smoothly without any issues. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.